Are you ready for an unforgettable experience that won't break the bank? Well, gear up for an adventure as we begin in Hanoi, the vibrant capital of Vietnam. Ah, Hanoi, a city that is as complex as it is captivating, with its rich tapestry of history and culture woven into every street corner. Let's start our journey in the heart of it all, the Old Quarter. With its narrow, bustling streets and colonial architecture, the Old Quarter is like taking a step back in time. It's where history breathes life into the present, offering a glimpse into Hanoi's thousand-year-old past. Speaking of life, let's talk about the food. Savor the tantalizing flavors of Hanoi's street food, from the mouth-watering pho to the crispy banh mi. Each bite is not just a meal, but a story of tradition, passion, and local flavor. Next, we venture to the serene Hoan Kiem Lake, a tranquil oasis amidst the city's hustle and bustle. Its name, meaning Lake of the Returned Sword, echoes a legend of emperors and magical turtles, adding a layer of enchantment to its beauty. Finally, we stand in awe at the Ho Chi Minh Mausoleum, a monumental marble edifice housing the preserved body of Vietnam's first president. It's a place of reverence and reflection, a testament to a man and a nation's enduring spirit. Hanoi is a city that never sleeps, and its charm is sure to captivate you. Whether you're wandering through the Old Quarter or tasting your way through its gastronomic delights, Hanoi's rhythm will move you, its history will fascinate you, and its spirit will undoubtedly win your heart. From the bustling city life of Hanoi, we now sail towards the serene beauty of Ha Long Bay, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. This natural wonder, draped in emerald waters and sprinkled with thousands of towering limestone islands, is truly a sight to behold. As you glide through the bay on a traditional junk boat, you'll find yourself amidst a seascape so surreal it's like stepping into a postcard. Each island, covered in lush greenery, stands like a sentinel, creating a panorama that's simply out of this world. But the beauty of Ha Long Bay isn't confined to the surface. Venture beneath the waves and you'll discover a world that's equally enchanting. Kayaking in these crystal-clear waters, you'll get up close and personal with the bay's vibrant marine life and hidden caves. Now, while Ha Long Bay is a budget traveler's paradise, it's worth splurging on a reputable cruise. This is your ticket to fully experiencing the bay's magic, from the stunning sunsets to the starlit nights. Beware, though, of overpriced tours. Some operators might try to lure you with cheap prices, but you could end up with subpar services or hidden charges. Always do your homework. Read reviews and choose a trusted tour operator. So, whether you're a nature enthusiast, an adventure seeker, or simply someone looking for a tranquil escape, Ha Long Bay's the place to be. Ha Long Bay is a paradise on earth. It's a place you must see to believe. Leaving the natural beauty of Ha Long Bay behind, we arrive in the ancient town of Hoi An. Here, the narrow streets are a vibrant spectacle, adorned with multicolored lanterns that cast a warm glow as the sun sets. The town is renowned for its tailor shops, where skilled artisans can craft a bespoke outfit just for you. From elegant dresses to tailored suits, splurging on a custom-made piece of clothing is definitely worth it, a unique memento to take home from your journey. Hoi An's local cuisine is a feast for the taste buds, with dishes like chow lao, a mouth-watering noodle dish that's as unique as the town itself. Don't miss out on the iconic Japanese covered bridge, a testament to Hoi An's multicultural heritage, and the Old Town, a living museum showcasing the rich history of this charming destination. Hoi An is a town that time forgot, offering a glimpse into the Vietnam of yesteryears. From the calmness of Hoi An, we now plunge into the chaos of Ho Chi Minh City. Here, in this city formerly known as Saigon, an electrifying blend of old and new awaits us. Vibrant and bustling, the city is a whirlwind of sights, sounds, and smells that can leave you breathless. First stop, the famous Ben Thanh Market. It's a sensory overload, from the vivid colors of fresh produce to the aromatic allure of spices and the ceaseless chatter of vendors hawking their wares. It's a shopping experience like no other, but keep an eye on your belongings as well as your heart, because it's easy to lose both in this enchanting chaos. Next, we delve into history and explore the Cu Chi Tunnels, a labyrinthine network that played a crucial role during the Vietnam War. Here you'll gain a profound understanding of the resilience and ingenuity of the Vietnamese people, and of course, no visit to Ho Chi Minh City would be complete without indulging in a mouth-watering banh mi sandwich. These delightful concoctions are a testament to Vietnam's culinary prowess and are worth every single dong. However, be wary of taxi scams. Some drivers might rig their meters or take longer routes. Always agree on a fare before you start your journey, or better yet, opt for reputable ride-hailing services. Ho Chi Minh City is a city of contrast where modernity and history coexist. It's a city that never sleeps and one that will keep you coming back for more. Finally, we head to the Mekong Delta, a region where life revolves around the river. This lush green region, often referred to as the rice basket of Vietnam, is a mesmerizing maze of winding waterways, floating markets, and fertile rice fields as far as the eye can see. Here, boats are the main mode of transportation, and a boat ride down the Mekong River provides a window into the unique riverine way of life. As you glide down the river, you'll encounter the bustling, floating markets. These waterborne bazaars are the lifeblood of the region, where locals come to buy and sell everything from fresh fruits to household goods. It's a vibrant and colorful spectacle that perfectly encapsulates the spirit of the Mekong Delta. Tropical fruits are abundant here, and a tasting tour will have you savoring the flavors of exotic fruits like rambutan, dragon fruit, and mangosteen. But the true gem of the Mekong Delta is the people. Friendly and welcoming, they are always ready to share a smile or a story, offering a glimpse into their simple yet fulfilling lives. So if you're looking for something to splurge on, consider a guided boat tour. Not only will it take you to the heart of the action, but it will also keep you safe from potential scams that prey on unsuspecting tourists. The Mekong Delta is an authentic experience that will stay with you forever. Vietnam on a shoestring is not just a dream, it's an affordable reality.